Let's start. Today we will see how to code a Keltner channel in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with the name Keltner channel. These are the user inputs for the length, multiplier, and ATR length of the Keltner channel. First, we calculate the exponential moving average like this and call it the middle band. A Keltner channel has 3 bands, upper, middle, and lower. Then we calculate the ATR, which will be used to calculate the upper and lower bands. This is how we calculate the upper and lower bands. Finally, we plot the upper, middle, and lower bands. Let's add this indicator to the chart. This is the input panel. This is the Keltner channel. The green line is the upper band, the white line is the middle band, and the red line is the lower band. So that's it. That's how you can implement the Keltner channel in the Tradingview Pine script. Thank you.